Hello there and welcome to today's episode. Today we are going to be going for a car meet. This is going to be the first car meet I'm going to be attending with both the vehicles, the Black Mamba and also the Alteza. So right now we're pretty much preparing them for that car meet. There's going to be one this afternoon and tomorrow there's going to be another one. Tomorrow's car meet is mostly a drive, and I think we're going to be seeing a number of cool cars in Harare. That's what I'm hoping to see, and I just wanted to meet up with other people, get to see what they're building, get to see the cars that they have, and it's definitely going to be exciting. So you can see we are actually getting the cars prepped up so that they look very nice. The Alteza is getting the engine cleaned up, and after the clean up I think it's gonna look amazing. It's gonna look amazing. I don't think ever since we built it, obviously since last year, we have not really attended any public gathering because of COVID. I mean, COVID got most things to be brought everything to a halt, if I can say. Now, before I get to the fun part of this video, I just wanted to first of all start by talking about what I'm wearing, right? Just want to come in. So this is, you know that every summer we always come up with t-shirts which we give our customers. So I know some of you customers are watching us, and we didn't quite get the chance to get any of our gear from last year. This is another chance. We've got this t-shirt which is available. We're giving it for free, 100% free. All you have to do is you have to give us a review. That's all we want from you, a review. So get in touch with my marketing on the numbers that you're looking at on the screen. There is a whole range of colors that you can pick from. Obviously be getting two. The pink one is definitely going to be for your missus. If you are not feeling the off-road truck, you can get the I Kissed a Car t-shirt. So from last year, I remember that we ran short. So some of the t-shirts that I have may have to be sent to other people who I promised from last year. And I know the demand is going to be high, just like what happened last year. So let's get dialing, get in touch with Sandra, and she'll tell you exactly what you need to do for you to get a copy. Now let's get to the fun stuff. So one thing I really like about this car meet is that not only do you spend hours upon hours in the company of people who enjoy the same things that you do, who love the same thing that you do, but you begin to get ideas on how to solve a problem, right? A problem that you've been hitting your head against the wall trying to solve, because given that you're having the same problem, there's a good chance that somebody has had that problem before and they've managed to find ways to solve it. So just by discussing, by talking about those issues, you start to see some valuable information, some valuable solutions, viable solutions that you can actually pick up on and follow. We're trying to solve an issue of the interior. We're also trying to solve I deleted the fender liner since I fitted the big wheel on the Mark II. So with the stock fender liners, obviously the wheel keeps on rubbing and it's really annoying when you're driving. So Others have done it before. They've put 8 bigger wheels. They've managed to solve that. So I think I've got an idea of what I need to do in order to sort that out. And I'll be able to follow up with some people who I've seen who have got good connections with Japan, because they import stuff there. So I want to import some stuff there too. So yeah, it's quite beneficial, really. Granted, you're going to meet some people who are toxic in these car meets, but you just have to know that there are some positive people and then some really negative people. So you just stick with the positive ones, and the negative people you pretty much don't even play with, because they are the ones that are a problem in this car community. Anyways, enough talk. Let me show you some of the cool pictures that we got.
for the shows. Stack it up tall till I stand on my toes. Come and get your man, he'll stand for the. I been on M's, got 'em hopping on deep. Tell the bartender, get it popping on me. Know they see the vibe and I came up quick. See around the city on the same old. I been really working and it steady, got me buzzing. I been getting money, now I'm everybody cousin. Waffle House run and it's back to the bed. Hit it from the back, pulling tracks from your head. Only thing showing this late be the freak show. Call for your come, I be peephole. Everything closed this late, but your contacts. Here to catch a vibe, you might catch a.